Hi there, I'm Heinz Mielimonka, cloud architect, and work for Oracle in the EMEA technology cloud engineering team. I will show you how to make your business environment resilient against regional outages. We will demonstrate this based on cross-region replication. We use a server and restore the server from Frankfurt to London to prove this. Please use the QR code to find my blog with all the details, including code samples. On our best practice framework, we show you how to architect for reliability. Let me show you how this works. So let's create the environment. First, I like to prove that there is a server we like to replicate. Server name is server Frankfurt with an attached block volume. Block volume Frankfurt. We see this on the server direct also. Now, let's create a volume group. We do this in Frankfurt because the server runs in Frankfurt. Gave the volume group an appropriate name. Select the availability domain. Choose the block volume attached to the server and the boot volume. So we have consistency between them. Switch the cross-region replication on, select the target, the appropriate availability domain, and confirm. Choose our backup policy. Check the summary and confirm. So the volume group we just created is available. Now let's activate the volume group replica in London. Just go to the volume group replica section, choose the appropriate replica and click activate. Confirm. Choose a name. After a short while, this replica is available. Now, your production environment in Frankfurt is protected against outage. Oracle will replicate based on your backup policy all the data from Frankfurt to London. So let's search for the volume group in Frankfurt. Here it is, volume group Frankfurt is in Frankfurt and has the backup policy. The cross-region replication is switched on and the number of volumes is 2. Now let's go to London. The volume group London is there. The volumes are number is 2. Now in London. The volume group replicas in London are already there. Find boot and block volumes on the appropriate place. So let's now restore the server in London. First, we go to the boot volume in London. We choose the appropriate boot volume and create an instance from that volume. Give it a name. Place it in the appropriate availability domain and fault domain. choose the correct shape. And the appropriate boot volume. Put the SSH public key in. And click create. Short after your new server in London is up and running, now you have to attach the block volume. Click attach and choose the Linux iSCSI commands to attach on the console later. So now everything is done. You are able to connect directly to the server and see the attached block volume here in the server in London, in Frankfurt, and on the right side, the server in London. So both are connected with the same block volume, ones in Frankfurt and the second one in London. So both servers are equal.